Let's talk about our first topic, and this is the Uber Verified was announced a few months ago, and what's going on with that, and essentially, what is this?
Yeah. First of all, do you know what that means? Verified host? Does that mean this is like a guest trip? Is that what it means?
Yes, I believe so.
You
So
think so?
when it
Okay.
says verified host, that's like when you have the guest, but it should say something like guest or something else
Okay.
that kind of
Well,
alerts you to like guest rider.
okay.
I think something like that would be good.
I'm getting a lot of these. I didn't know people are asking me. What does the host mean? Is it like an Airbnb or what's happening here? So I'm like, I don't know. When I don't know, I don't know. When you guys send me emails and I say I don't know, you guys may think I'm just trying to, get rid of you guys. No, I don't know. I mean, I respond to every single email, as you guys know. But I'm getting now. There's some. So anyway, when Uber announced this, I actually talked about it positively, right? It's a safety measure. They're going to go through some sort of database check. These riders, obviously not as strict as the driver with the background check and all this uploading, verifiable IDs, things like that, which I would love to have. Okay. I would love to see a picture or the rider to upload a verifiable or government ID at least of some sort when they're onboarding, and the existing ones just upload it. I mean, we do it as drivers. The riders know everything about us. We don't know much about them. And it seems like, Chris, Finn and Shopaholic. Finn is probably a real name, but I'm pretty sure Shopaholic is not a real name.
No, definitely
so
not.
how does a rider like Shopaholic get verified? I mean, what are we verifying
Uber,
here? Are we verifying? Huh?
I said Uber. How does this work? How are you verifying a rider with the name Shopaholic?
Yeah. I really like to know, Uber. And I'm getting a bunch of these. So you know how at the end of the show, we've been doing it for what now, 100 weeks or whatever. I don't even know. We do the fakes, right? The fakes. Now we should start a news section or segment called Verified Fakes.
Verified fakes.
Yeah. So I'm like, okay.
So the other ones are just cheap fakes. These ones are verified fakes.
No, but this is not funny, Uber. Seriously. I mean, you all know who you are at the moment. When I say you all know who you are, who I'm talking to, we know who we are. So this is not funny. Okay. I mean, I actually got heat from the driver community saying that this exactly, Derek. I really got heat, Chris, that like, oh, you're Uber shill and you like what they do. I'm like, no, this is a good thing, right? I mean, if you can just verify the rider, which we didn't have until today, with a little check mark like on X or Twitter or whatever, I thought it was a good idea. Well, it seems like Uber cracks have opened up, and these fakies are falling through. I don't know. For a tech company, I don't know about this, Uber.
One thing I always say is work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, then you may be working harder. So let's change that. Download the app, link your accounts where you can manage your income, track your expenses, and project your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download Solo and begin to work smarter, not harder today. Link is in the description. All right, let's get back to it.
So if you guys see this, not as much as the fakes, because you guys send me fakes all the time, the actual fakes, but these verified fakes, I'm going to start creating a folder on my computer with these verified fakes. Another one. Yeah. I seriously, like when I had a brand new PC when I started Show Me the Money, and I use it specifically for RSG, write my articles, all that stuff, right? It had like 1.5 terabyte hard disk space with all the screenshots and everything, because I don't delete anything. I collect it because I may need it one day.
A problem. Windows bloat goes from here, and then all of a sudden updates.
Yeah.
So Windows bloat is a huge thing, and that's why I'm actually looking at switching from Windows and completely clearing it on both my computers and going right to Linux, so I don't have to deal with all that crap. But yeah, that's part of it. But yes, there's a lot of files I'm sure that you're getting
I save everything too, you know, because I don't. I mean, I may need it one day. There may be a lawsuit one day. There may be, you know, like on July 10th. Oh, FYI, I don't know how many people are here. You know what? I'll do it a little later when there are about 300-400 people. But anyway, so Uber, this is no good. Okay, I mean, now I'm actually looking like a fool, seriously. And
well, here's the thing. Here's the thing.
I'm like, yeah. I mean, if Shopaholic got verified, who's next?
Yeah, but here's the thing. On paper, it sounds great. In practice, it clearly fell apart. So, you know, we're basing it off because I agree with you on that when it comes to, you know, having somebody verified is going to be much better. And I think that that was a long time coming and something that needed to happen. But it clearly, they missed the mark at what they were talking about, because either they were, you know, squeaky cleaning it the way they wanted to when it came to how they were presenting it versus how we were thinking it was going to take place, or what. But either way, I think it's a little bit different again when you put it on paper versus practice and out in the real world. So
no, I get it.
that's
I
the
mean, I get it.
problem.
They have 100
Holding them accountable is where it needs to be at now.
That's exactly what we do here, holding them accountable. And the other thing is, I get it. There are 100 and I don't know, 150 million, 162, I think now, monthly active users.
Edge case. Just an edge case.
Yeah, no, that's Lyft. Lyft used to say that until they got like, they go, okay, no, shut up, go to the other side. They don't say it anymore.
You're in timeout, Lyft.
Yeah, that was Lyft. Uber will probably say it's an anomaly or something, or whatever, right? And so Uber, you're going to get this package like you get, you know, please, this is nonsense. And I mean, look, man, we have a reputation here, you know, and when I see these things, I'm going to put them up. I mean, this is unquestionably, we're hoping it's a mistake and it ends.
Ty is a name.
Ty is
Ty can be short for Tyler. I mean, you know, there's a lot of shorter names, so you know, I don't have a problem with it, like nicknames and stuff like that, verified. But like Shopaholic, I mean, clearly that's not a name.
Yeah, that's definitely not a name. But then I don't know if their database is scrutinizing these verified tags with names or with what are they back, because you know they're always vague. Okay, they go, okay, we're going to verify against third-party databases. What does that mean? I don't know. You know, so but then yeah, these need to end. But anyway, I mean, I just thought bring that up because it's been it's been at work for what now, 3 months or so, right? 3 months. The verified badge, you know,
something like that. But in any event, if you get these verified fake names, make sure you send them to Sergio at the rideshareguy.com so he can add them to the folder and package it all nice up and put it to
no, we don't go that far, obviously, Jeff. But yeah, I'm puzzled, and I'm hoping it ends, you know, because I think it's a good thing. I think it gives it some sort of comfort to the driver that when they see the verified badge, well, when it shows up with a Shopaholic, I don't think it's a good look, Uber. So, yeah.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.